That is that old, my old Atlas pack. I'm talking old. Anyway, that I put it on this frame. I stripped this frame. It's a frame I showed. I did a little thing on the other day on pack frame. I took the waist belt off. I don't need that. I'm not gonna pack this thing no damn mile, let alone 20. But at any rate, I got it. I just strapped it on here. Look, y'all, with a strap. And you gotta have strap. If you don't have straps, you need strap. Strap. Can't have enough strap. I got some more. But anyway, I'm loading this down, right? So I'm 5.5 pounds here. That's on my pack before I put anything in. Now right here we got kitchen utensils and stoves and whatnot. And this rascal's coming in at this sucker's coming in at 6.25 pounds. 5.5 and 6.25. 5 and 6 is 11, and 1/2 and 1/4 is 3/4. So we had 11.75 pounds. Now, you're gonna add a 5 pounds to that. That's my sleeping rig. Now we're at 16.75 pounds. So you can add 16.75 pounds. You can add another 4 pounds to tarps, and now we're at 20. You can add another pound for gas, extra gas. So now you get 21. You got 4 pounds left for food. I'm gonna bring coffee, that's 1/2 pound. So now I got 3.5 pounds left for food. See where I'm going here? And this is what I weighed, y'all. I weighed coffee pots and stoves, my hammock that I use to put dishes in, and my loaded mess kit. That in itself weighs almost 4 pounds. Got everything just about. And I got maybe 3.5 pounds left for food. We're gonna get some cooking oil. That's gonna be 1/4 pound. See what I'm saying? You're gonna be eating freeze-dried food, or you're gonna have to get some Zatarain. Some Zatarain. I can get some Zatarain. Jambalaya mix and egg. About 4 bags of that. That won't even go. That might go 1/2 pound. So I'm looking at maybe 2 pounds of sausage. That'll get me through the weekend. I'm good. Besides what I catch or kill, so we good. That's a 25 pound pack. I'm sorry y'all, but when I go camping, especially boat camping, that's too small. I don't even fool with it. I go with that big Atlas in there. But I just wanted to show y'all, I'm weighing every piece of this with a certified scale. Now you can shrink all this. I got an old Boy Scout mess kit I use when I'm going real light in my little pack. And I can get down 25 pounds easy in this. But I'm going for the weekend. I'm gonna have to cook me some food. I gotta have dishes and something to boil water in. You know what I mean, boy? So I'm, you know, that's my necessity pack right there. Anything less than that, pissing up a rope. Good boy.